In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a test call in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're using Microsoft Teams to communicate with colleagues, attend meetings, or just keeping in touch with others, it's essential that your audio settings are properly configured. Let's walk through the steps to ensure your microphone and speakers are working correctly by making a test call on your desktop, whether you're using Windows or Mac. First, let's get started by opening Microsoft Teams on your computer. Once you have it open, make sure you've signed in with your Microsoft account. This is crucial because without signing in, you won't be able to access the settings we need to adjust. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the application where you'll find your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a small drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This will take us into a variety of options where we can adjust how Microsoft Teams operates for us. Once we're in the Settings menu, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You will see a menu with different categories. Click on Devices. This section allows us to customize the hardware Teams uses, like our microphone, speakers, and cameras. In the Devices menu, you'll notice an area labeled Audio Settings. This is where you want to focus. Under this header, you'll see a button labeled Make a Test Call. Click on this. Now, Teams will guide you through a quick process to verify your audio setup. During this test call, Teams will prompt you to record a short message. Don't worry, this message is not saved, but is a temporary recording used solely for your testing purposes. After you've recorded your brief message, Teams will play it back for you. This allows you to hear exactly how your microphone is capturing audio, and at the same time, you can verify that your speakers are outputting that audio correctly. After completing this test call, assess if everything sounded clear and accurate. In case your audio was not perfect, or if there were any issues, you might need to adjust your devices. Microsoft Teams offers drop-down menus in this section for your microphone, speakers, and camera. Use these drop-downs to select the correct device you wish to use. So, to wrap up, once you've ensured that the right devices are selected and your test call sounds good, you're all set for your next meeting or call. Remember, it's always a good idea to test your setup if you've changed any hardware or updated any software, just to be sure everything is functioning smoothly. Thanks for watching. And I hope this has been helpful in ensuring your Microsoft Teams audio setup is perfect.